No more middlemen for your overseas machinery purchase.
This is Tarzan, a direct machinery export factory in Zhengzhou, China. With 14 years of export experience, we offer pure factory direct supply with no markups. Our machines are exported to over 100 countries across Africa, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, and South America. Our clients cooperate directly with our factory with transparent machine conditions. Worried about long-distance purchase risks? You are welcome to visit our factory or inspect machines via real-time video call. All machine conditions and details are fully transparent. We provide one-stop full services from machine selection, inspection, loading to ocean shipping.
No middleman, no mix-ups or commission. Choose Tizen in Zhengzhou, China, waiting for you.